Hey you guys, this is Brooklyn. I am talking raw, I am being raw, and just life is raw and authentic and exciting, but it's even more fun when you feel better. God, my ear itches. Speaking of which, okay, so I want to show you guys two drinks that are really important to you besides water during the day. That is my raw green drink, and that is my black chai tea drink. So this one's exciting because a whole pot of it, just a coffee pot of it, saves me $40 a week for my chai tea lattes I would get from Starbucks. Here's how you make it. You put 5 or 6 bags of spiced chai, black tea, spiced chai from Trader Joe's, and it comes with 20 bags. So that's a week's worth, right? This is $3.69, okay? Then you can, any friends of mine that go to Starbucks or somewhere that has these, I ask in the jacket. That's not exactly, well, hey, you know what? Whatever. They're spending money there, and they know that I'm tight with money, so they're doing me a favor. They're helping me out. It's like a stocking stuffer for me. Anyway, yeah, they're jacking it. So I had a friend today that literally brought me like this much today. So honestly, I was like, I am so thankful. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, point of this story. Point of this true deal. So you put like 5 or 6 of those at the bottom, right? Then you put 2 bottles of filtered water. In the morning, push the button like you would coffee. But before you do that, I'm actually out. So you get almond milk. God, I gotta put that on the list. Oh, you're on my phone. Well, dang it. I might forget. Anyway, while you guys, I forget everything. So is almond milk on here? Almond milk. Sorry, I'm right here. Okay. I am so sorry. I just totally lost track. Stop. Blooper.